Come test drive the 2004 Volvo S40. The S40 allows you to exploit all four wheels for personal gain. Explore it today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, power door locks, security system, power windows, CD player, passenger airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.